Are you tired of hitting the same wall every time you dream of moving to Europe? The wall that says, no job offer, no visa, for years. That's been the reality for so many skilled, talented people from Pakistan and all over the world. You have the skills, you have the ambition, but you don't have that impossible to-get contract from a German company. And maybe you don't have a 4-year university degree, and you feel like that automatically disqualifies you. I want you to forget everything you thought you knew. You only need to prove one of the following. Either very basic, beginner level A1, German, which is just enough to handle simple greetings and introductions, or B2 level English, which is conversational fluency that most professionals already have. You do not need both. This opens the door for so many people who are worried about learning German before they move. Because in 2025, Germany has launched a revolutionary new program that smashes these barriers. And make sure you subscribe and click the bell, because in my next video, I'll be breaking down the top 5 most in-demand jobs in Germany that you can get with this visa. The most common way is with a blocked bank account, where you deposit around 1,091 euros for each month you plan to stay. But there are other ways too. A formal sponsorship letter from someone living in Germany, or even an employment contract for a part-time job in Germany can fulfill this requirement. This isn't just a small change, it's a completely new path. You will need your valid passport, your degree or vocational training certificates, your language test results for either German or English, and proof of your financial stability. It's your chance to bypass the old system and prove your skills directly to German employers. You then book an appointment at the German embassy or consulate in your country to submit your application. It's a formal process, but it is one you can absolutely do yourself without needing any expensive agents. To make it easier for you, I've put the official links to the German government website, along with a full document checklist, right in the description below. Everything you need is there. Stay right here, because I am about to show you exactly how Germany's new opportunity card could be your personal invitation to Europe. So, what is this Chancenkarte, or opportunity card, that everyone is talking about? Think of it as a VIP pass to Germany's job market. Germany has made the entry requirements surprisingly flexible. There are 3 main things you need to prove. Instead of you needing to find a job from thousands of miles away, Germany is now inviting you to come live in the country for 1 full year to find a job after you arrive. This is where it gets exciting. You can qualify with a university degree that's recognized in your home country. But if you don't have a degree, you can qualify with proof of at least 2 years of formal vocational training. This could be a diploma in IT, a certificate in a skilled trade, like plumbing or electronics, or any state-recognized professional training. The key is that Germany is now valuing hands-on, practical skills just as much as academic degrees. This is a massive shift. While you are in Germany on this card, you are legally allowed to work part-time for up to 20 hours per week. This is incredibly important. It means you can earn over 1,000 euros a month just from a part-time job to cover your rent and living costs while you search for your dream career. You can also do unlimited 2-week trial jobs to see if a company is the right fit for you. It gives you the freedom and the time to find a full-time position that truly matches your skills without the pressure of your savings running out. Now, let's talk about how you can get this card. First, your professional qualification. Second, your language skills. The flexibility here is amazing. And third, financial proof. You must show the German authorities that you can support yourself. Getting started is a clear step-by-step process. Your first step is to gather your essential documents. This opportunity card is the single biggest change to German immigration law in years, and it's designed for people exactly like you. So if this guide was helpful, and if you're as excited about this opportunity as I am, do me a huge favor and hit that like button. It tells YouTube that this is valuable information.